Moisturizing shampoo. The coconut shampoo is designed to provide intense moisturization to dry or over-processed hair. Restores natural luster. The coconut oil cleansers used in this shampoo gently cleanse dry hair and help in smoothening frizzies and restoring your hair's natural luster. Soft healthy hair. The organic jojoba oil and olive oil moisturizes your hair and scalp. In doing so, it makes the hair soft and silky without weighing them down. Natural ingredients. The Desert Essence Coconut Shampoo is made using organic ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, jojoba seed oil, and rosemary leaf extract. Suitable for regular use, Desert Essence Coconut Shampoo is devoid of chemicals like parabens, phosphates, phthalates, silicones and artificial fragrances and dyes and can be safely used every day. Restore shine and health back into hair with the shampoo coconut from Desert Essence. Desert Essence was founded in 1978 around a simple concept: beauty is natural and nature is beautiful. By bringing the best of nature's offerings to personal care regimens everywhere, they strive to strengthen the bonds between the planet and all the beings that call it home. Creating a healthy, harmonious relationship with the earth and community is the foundation for all they do. Desert Essence believes in being responsible to others, honest, and forward-thinking to create and preserve a better future for us all. Directions. Apply to wet hair and gently lather. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, use with Desert Essence Coconut Conditioner. Legal disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. Always refer to the manufacturer's label on the product for description, recommended dose and precautions. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite for years. After trying so many different shampoos on my very thick frizzy hair, I found Desert Essence Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner. My hair comes out soft and shiny. I've been using it for a few years and rarely use any other shampoo and conditioner. I originally bought it because of the organic ingredients. And it smells great. It's gentle and a little goes a long way. I can tell the difference when I don't use it.